Hello students, welcome you all to this video. I am Pratima. So today we'll do some objective questions from application of derivative from class 12, and I have taken miscellaneous objective questions. So let us see how we can solve it. Question number 19. A cylindrical tank of radius 10 meter is being filled with wheat at a rate of 314 cubic meter per hour. Then the depth of the wheat is increasing at the rate of, four options are given: 1 meter per hour, B is 0.1 meter per hour, C is 1.1 meter per hour, and 0.5 meter per hour. So see this unit, 314 cubic meter, that means this is certainly change of volume because this is centimeter meter cube. So dV to dt is given us how much? 314 meter cube per hour. And question is, at what rate depth is increasing? That means the question is, what is dH to dt when R is given to 10? So very simple. This is the cylinder. So you have to recall the volume of cylinder. It will be pi r square h. Then r is given here to 10. So I'll replace it pi into 10 square into h, or this will be 100 pi h. Now differentiating with respect to time, dv to dt is equal to 100 constant, pi constant, dh to dt. So dv to dt, replace it, I will get dh to dt. So this will be how much? dv to dt is 100, 314 by 100 pi. Pi is how much? I'll put 3.14. So this will be 314 by 314. It will be 1 meter per hour. So 1 meter per hour means A will be the answer. Question number 20. The slope of a tangent of x is equal to, the curve is x is equal to t square plus 3t minus 8, y is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 8. At this point, 2 comma minus 1, a point is given, and you have to get the slope, and you have to choose the option out of this 4. So it is, x is given separate, is a function of t, that means it is given in parametric form. Y is given 2t square minus 2t minus 5. So we can get dx to dt, because this is parametric form. It will be 2t plus 3, and dy to dt is how much? 4t minus 2. Then what will be dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to, you know that, it will be dy to dt upon dx to dt. So what is the answer? Answer will be 4t minus 2 by 2t plus 3. Now see, what is given? Given is a 2 comma minus 1. That means this is value of x, this is value of y, this is not t. So x is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 2 in this expression. So 2 is equal to t square plus 3t minus 8 will give the value of t. This implies that t square plus 3t minus 10 is 0. So this implies that you are getting t plus 5 into t minus 2 is 0. So the value is either t is equal to 2 or t is equal to 5. T is equal to minus 5. Then we don't know which one will put, so we will verify from y. Now go for y. What is y? Y is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5. What is y? Y is equal to minus 1. So I'll write 2t square minus 2t plus minus 4 is 0. Or I'll take common, t square minus t minus 2 is 0. So this gives me t into minus 2 into t plus 1 is 0. What is the value of t? T is 2, and t is minus 1. So see which one is common in all the cases. So that will be the value of t. T is equal to 2. So t is equal to 2. Then go for slope. Slope is equal to how much? Dy by dx. How much it was? This was the slope. So it will be 4t minus 2 by 2t plus 3. Now put t is equal to 2. So it will be 8 minus 2 by 4 plus 3. So 6 by 7 is the answer. So B will be the answer. Question number 21. The line y is equal to mx plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y square equal to 4x. If the value of m, it can be a tangent to this curve, condition is the value of m will be out of this 1, 2, 3, half. So one curve and a line, their intersection point is only 1 point. So let us find the intersection point. So I'll put y is equal to mx plus 1. So mx plus 1 whole square is equal to 4x, or m square x square plus 1 plus 2 mx is equal to 4x, or m square x square plus 2 mx minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, there is 1 point only. That means it has repeated roots. This quadratic equation has repeated roots. So what is the condition for repeated roots? B square is equal to 4ac. So I'll arrange it plus x taking common. I am getting 2m minus 4 plus 1 is 0. So the condition will be b square is equal to 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So 2m minus 4 whole square is equal to b square is equal to 4 into a m square into 1. Now let us simplify. This will be 4m square plus 16 minus 16m is equal to 4m square. So 4m square cancel. What you are getting? You are getting 16m is equal to 16. This gives you m is equal to how much? M is equal to 1. So A will be the answer. Question number 22. 22 is the normal at the point 1, 1 on the curve is, equation of the normal is given 4 options: x plus y is 0, x minus y is 0, x plus y plus 1 is 0, and x minus y is equal to 1. So you know that dy by dx is the slope of the tangent. So we'll get the derivative 2y plus x square is equal to 3. Now differentiating with respect to x, I'll get 2 dy by dx plus 2x is equal to 0, or I'll get dy by dx is equal to minus x. Now at this point, the value, or first I can find the slope of the normal. Slope of normal is equal to negative reciprocal of this. Slope of normal is negative reciprocal of dy by dx. So this will be 1 by x. Now how much is x here? X is 1. So it will be 1 by 1, because I have to get at this particular point 1, 1. So the slope of the normal is 1. Now frame the equation. x1 y1 is equal to 1 1. So we know the equation y minus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1. So this gives us y minus 1 is equal to x minus 1, or y minus x is equal to how much? It will be 0. So what is which part will be the answer? It will be x minus y is 0. B is the answer. Question number 23. The normal to the curve x square plus is equal to 4y passing through 1 2 is x plus y is equal to 3, x minus y is equal to 3, x plus y is equal to 1, x minus y is equal to 1. Here one uncommon thing is there, this 1 2 do not belongs to this graph, or it is not on the curve, it is somewhere here. 1 2 is not there on the curve. The normal is passing through this point. To this, normal is passing through this point. Normal is passing through 1 2. So let the point B on this curve is HK, which is your through which normal is passing. HK. Then as usual, first we'll get the slope of the tangent. So x square is equal to 4y. So you will get the differentiating 4 dy by dx is equal to 2 x, or dy by dx is equal to how much? It will be x by 2. Now here at this particular point hk, I am getting the value of the slope of the tangent. So it will be h by 2. So this is slope of tangent, slope of t. Now what will the slope of normal then? Slope of normal will be negative reciprocal. So I'll write minus 2 by h. Next I'll get the equation to the normal. What will the equation to the normal? Equation to normal will be k minus 2 upon h minus k can be written as minus 2 by h. Or I can get the normal slope is equal to k minus 2 upon y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus 1 is equal to this. So this gives me one equation in h and k. And other equation is, as it hk is on this curve x square is equal to 4y, this will satisfy this equation. So h square is equal to 4k. This is second equation. From these two, I will solve it, h and k. So if you understood, you can do yourself. Now, this is equation 2. So let us multiply. Here it will be how much? hk minus 2h is equal to minus 2h plus 2k. So minus 2h I can cancel. So I am getting hk is equal to k cancel, h is equal to 2. H is equal to 2. And when h is equal to 2, 4k is equal to 4. So k is equal to 1. So h is equal to 2, k is equal to 1. Now I'll write the equation. What is equation? Equation is y minus 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to how much? Minus 2 by 2. That will be minus 1. So what is the equation? Y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 2. What is the equation? Equation will be y is equal to minus x plus 2 plus 1, or y plus x is equal to 3. So this is the answer to this question. Where is it? Answer is A. Now coming to the last question. The point on the curve 9y square is equal to x cube, where the normal to the curve makes equal intercept with the axes. 4 options are given. You have to find which point is the correct answer, which present on curve this, where the normal makes equal intercept with the axes. So as usual, first we'll find the slope of the tangent. So differentiating this curve, I'll get 18y dy to dx is equal to how much? 3x square. Now separating dy by dx, I'll get, it will be how much? X square by 6y. So this is slope of tangent. Now what will the slope of normal? So slope of normal will be negative reciprocal of it. So it will be negative 6y by x square. Now we have to recall the fact that any line which makes equal intercept, it has the slope either plus 1 or slope is minus 1. So I'll write negative 6y by x square. Either this will be plus 1 or this will be minus 1. Or I am getting minus 6y is equal to plus minus x square. Now I'll square both the sides. So what I'll get squaring both the side, I'll get 36y square is equal to x to the power 4. Now I'll get y square from the curve itself. What is y square? Y square is equal to x cube by 9. I'll replace y square is equal to x cube by 9 in this equation. Then I'll get 36 into x cube by 9 is equal to x to the power 4. Or x to the power 4 is equal to 4x cube. Or gives us x to the power 4 minus 4x cube is equal to 0. Now taking common, I'll get x cube, x minus 4 is 0. So this gives me two values. One is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. Now I'll put in the curve. When x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 gives me y is also 0. So 1 point I am getting 0, 0. But this cannot be answer because the line which makes equal intercept cannot pass through the origin. It cannot pass through the origin. Equal intercept do not pass through origin. That means x is equal to 4. Now when x is equal to 4, I'll put in the equation. So 9y square is equal to 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. So 9y square is equal to 64. Then y cube will be how much? Sorry, 9y square. Then y square is equal to 64 by 9. Then this gives me y is equal to plus minus 8 by 3. So what is the point? The point is 4, comma, it can be 8 by 3, it can be minus 8 by 3. So the answer will be, first one is the answer. A will be the answer. So this finishes your objective questions. I hope you have enjoyed. So please subscribe the channel so that you can learn more. Thank you for watching.